Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've missed you all so much. No, it's been a while, and that's because I wasn't feeling too well, but I feel better now, so I'm back. I want to thank every one of you for being here, and this really means a lot to me. Thank you for being here. I even got new subscribers while I was away. Welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I want to say a very big thank you to you all for 200 subscribers. Thank you so much. Keep supporting your girl. Thank you very much. And today I am making a wig, and you know that this channel is for makeup, all around beauty, hair and lifestyle. And this wig came in like this. My client brought it in for wigging, and it's one of these naked hairs, and it's human hair, and you can see the coils at the tip is bold and bouncy, and it actually came in with 4 bundles, which you will be seeing shortly. And this is what each of the bundle looks like. Yeah, this is what it looks like. And you can also see that it came with its own closure. Yes, it came with its own closure. Yeah, and I love the colors already. It looks so, vibrant, and I love this hair just the way it looks right now. Yes, all 4 bundles. That's what I'm going to be working with alongside the closure. And you all know that I have a lot of tutorial videos on how to install a closure, tutorial videos on how to make a wig both straight and curly. I'm going to link them up so that you watch them. They are detailed videos. For this one, I just had to go through the process. I had already installed the closure, and I'd already started fixing the back from one end to the other, using my pins to secure it while I sew so that it doesn't keep moving. So I'm sewing from one end to the other, and this is what it looks like. I had finished fixing it, and it's looking so beautiful. Yes, you will agree with me that it looks really beautiful. And now look at the back view. This is vibrant. Yes, it's beautiful. And at the end, I'm going to be modeling it as I always do, so that you see how it looks on me. Yes, making a wig is not so complicated. It's just to follow the process and be patient. I'm going to do another detailed one for my new subscribers. Yes, so that they can really understand the process. This is really beautiful. I love it. Yes, I love it. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, okay? And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you'll be the first to get it. And I also wanted you to have a close look at the closure. You can see that it is well laid, it is flat. After fixing it, I had to go in with my hand dryer to bring it down to make it very flat, and I also had to cut the net underneath the closure to make it, visible. Yes, this is really beautiful. Please leave me your comments on what you think already. I know you have a lot to say. So you'll be seeing me modeling it at the end of the video. Okay, so just watch. Now, what is there not to love about this hair? I love everything about it. It doesn't feel like I have, anything on my head. It's so light, and I love the length. Oh my gosh, the length is beautiful. I love the volume. It's really full, the way, I want my hair to, look, and it's so soft, it's silky. I love the shine. I also love the color a lot. Like when it comes to hairs, this is my favorite color. I like it. I just love how it makes me look, Yeah, beautiful. I love it, guys. I do a lot. Yes, and and this is really giving me like rich auntie vibes. Yes, I love it. And it doesn't come off. Yes, it doesn't come off at all. So I love it. It came in 4 bundles, as you actually saw earlier. Yes, and it's one of these naked hair, and I just love the hair. It is beautiful. Yes, so you told me what you like about this hair. Wow, I love it. It's beautiful. I really enjoyed making this, and having it on. It's beautiful. The wave, the you know, the colors, it's just beautiful, it's everything. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. Okay, so please just tell me what you think about the hair, and just leave it in the comment section. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. Okay, so tell your friends about this channel, and then share, you know, to your friends as well, and like. Okay, give me a huge thumbs up, and thank you all for still being here. I love you all greatly. Bye.